Würth is a leading supplier of tools and consumables for industry, construction and automotive segments. We are a big company in a small country.
We are now at Würth Logistics Center in Riihimäki. We are operating quite close to our customers here in Finland, and we have here almost 50,000 articles in the storage.
Our challenges were lack of skilled workforce and workforce availability, and we needed to make improvements for a small item picking process. We chose ADAPTO because of flexibility of the system and Vanderlande being able to take into account our individual needs during the project planning.
We needed a system without any bottlenecks, and the system is quite flexible for our business needs.
Würth is known for reliability, and ADAPTO helps us to maintain the reputation of high service level. The main benefits are improvements in the cut-off time, and it has helped us to meet the challenges with labor availability.
We were able to increase our capacity a lot. It's really easy to teach new people the new system, and we have almost error-free processes.
Last month we had the record sales month in euros and order lines, and ADAPTO has helped us to achieve that.
Vanderlande, moving your business forward.